The Strong Fox and the Grapes. Once upon a time, a strong fox lived in the forest with his friends. One day, the strong fox told his friends that he is too strong and can do everything on his own, so he is leaving and going to enjoy his life. One afternoon, the strong fox was very hungry and walking through the forest in search of food. At last the fox went into a vineyard. He saw some bunch of grapes hanging from the vines. He tried to reach them, but they were too high. He jumped again and again, but could not reach them, and fell down. At last he got tired and said, "These grapes are sour. I don't want them." Then he saw his old friends entering the vineyard. Strong Fox discourages his friends not to attempt grapes, as he thinks this is impossible and the grapes must be sour. But his friends did not give up. They helped each other and climbed one above another, until they reached the grapes. Now the strong fox realized the mistake he had made and the value of hard work, friendship and teamwork. His friends offered him the grapes, and he ate the grapes, and that was the sweetest grapes he ever had. After that he never left his friends and lived happily along with them in the forest.